Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you here the morning of August 20th with your currency commentary for the day. We'll take a look at some of the data that came out. Very light day. We did have a Chicago Fed index that came out. Market came in, or the number came in a little bit below expectations. We do have equities pulling back a little bit right now. However, the currency trade very, very flat. The dollar's down about 11 points this morning at 82.54. We did put in a low in the overnight at 82.43. The next support bar comes in at 82.20 on the U.S. dollar index. Euro right now up 18 ticks, 123.42. Not much to talk about there. There is some hope that the ECB will come out in the next several sessions with some sort of creative way in dealing with rising Italian and Spanish yields. But until we see any announcements from the ECB, I still believe that trade will remain flat. We will probably see some more direction in the euro versus dollar trade at the end of the month. We do have the announcement coming from the Federal Reserve at their Jackson Hole meeting. If the Feds reenact QE3, you will see the dollar drop back. You'll probably catch a bid in the euro. And if the Feds do disappoint, I think you'll see the opposite take place. You'll see a run back up in the U.S. dollar, and the euro retest the lows that we saw back in June. So I think it's as simple as that. Looking at the yen right now, we are catching a bid, 125.99, up 25 points this morning. I do think we were very, very oversold over the last couple of sessions. That has been a market that has acted as a flight to safety trade. However, we did pull back through the 200-day moving average last week at 126.40. If we can regain that level and trade north of 126.40, I think we will see the market run back towards the highs that we saw back in the beginning of this month. As far as that's concerned, we'll look ahead towards Wednesday. We have new home sales that comes out on Wednesday, and the FOMC minutes get released. So I think we'll remain relatively range bound up until those numbers come out. Once again, feel free to give me a call anytime. I'm John Caruso, 1-800-669-5354. And remember, trading futures and options carries risk and may not be suitable for all investors.